Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and today I'm going to be showing you a card using one of the stem sets out of Celebration. Now you can see this one is mainly for sentiment, so if you don't have this stem set, you can use any sentiment stem set that you have. So the idea is that I can show you how to create cards only when you have sentiments stem sets. But anyway, if you want to get this one though, this is part of Celebration, and if you don't know what Celebration is, during the first half of the first 3 months of the year, so usually January through March, Stampin' Up! Has a promotion where you get free items for every $50 or $100 that you spend with us. So for every $50, you can get one stamp set, the sans serif paper, and other items that are here. If you have never seen these brochures, you can go into my website at creatingwithali.com, and you can see on the right side the links to download and see what all the free items that you get. Now hurry up, because March is the last month to get these items. But anyway, so this is one of them, and this is free with $50. And so, like I said, what I wanted to show you is you can do really quick and easy cards just with one stamp. So anyway, so this one is, the one that I'm choosing is You Are My Chosen Family. I think that this goes really great for like friends. And anyway, I just wanted to use it here. So what I have here, it's Coral Calypso as my card base, and this is 8.5 by 5.5. And as usual, we're just going to go ahead and fold it in half. So let me just go ahead and do that. Alright, then I have a piece of the sans serif paper, and this one is out of the Happiness Blooms, which is available in the Occasions catalog. And you can see this one is 4 by 5 1/4. You could see, like in this case, I want to kind of coordinate colors. So I just want to go show you how it goes on my process. So you can see I tried to go with the colors on the design series paper in this case. So as you can see, we have Petal Pink, we have Calypso Coral, Call Me Clover, and so I decided to go with that family color, right? Or with those colors on that paper. So I have that. Then I'm going to be putting another piece or another layer of Calypso Coral, and this one is 3 by 4 and 3/8, which I know it's kind of weird for me. I never go with the 8s, but I'll show you in a second why. And this one is 2 3/4 by 4 1/8. And then I have here a piece of the design series paper, and this one is 2 and what it is? Oh, here it is. 2.5 about that. And then it's about 4, and here's it's a little bit off because this one's I cut it out of the or using framelits, so I just went ahead and used this one. And so as you can see, this is why I have to change all my measurements, because I want to have still 1/4 of an inch around my frame. So when you do that, you have to go and figure out those measurements, right? I mean, you have to go back and just add another 1/4. So that's the reason why I am going, as you can see, the measurements with the 1/8. It's not my favorite, to be honest, but hey, it is what it is, right? Now, if you don't have those framelits, you can also cut it and then just adjust your measurements, okay? And then I have here a piece that is 1 by 2 3/4. So I'm picturing to be somewhere like that. So let's go and get it started. Because like I said, I know this one is a very quick and easy card. And honestly, just look through your stash of cardstock that you have. And just pair it, just pair it with the colors that you see on that card pack. So kind of like what I'm doing here, right? I love to get all the inspiration of the colors from the design series paper that I have available. So let's just do this. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it again here. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right there. And like I said, usually I have a 1/4 of an inch border on all my frames. That way I have a nice border around it. So here's how it looks, and then I'm going to put this one right here. Okay, now I feel like this one is kind of too, let me see. Let me just play around. See, maybe I want to use something like that. Okay, no, I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think I'm gonna go with that one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this one. Okay, and you can use your nail as well, or you can use liquid Tombow for adhering everything. Anyway, alright, so now that I have that, then we're going to put this one here. So let me just bring my stamp set. So here is the ink pad, and I'm using the Early Espresso, and you have it here. I have the You Are My Chosen Family, which I think, like I said, it's great for like a friendship card or a friend. I mean, really. There you have it. Alright, so this one will go right here. And I'm going to be popping up this one. So this one will go on dimensionals. Alrighty. I'm going to put it like right here, yes. Now, another thing that I like to do is just add a little bit of an embellishment. So in this case, I'm going to be using the satin ribbon, and this one is in Calypso Coral, which kind of coordinates with all of these products, don't you think? So, there we have it. We're just going to go ahead and do a little bow. And just pull and pull until you like it. And so at this point, we're going to go ahead and cut it. And I usually like to do my bows from the spool because I feel like I waste less of the ribbon. And so this one, I'll just put it like there. How about that? And for that one, I use glue dots. And I'm just going to put one glue dot there. And I'm going to put it like right here. Well, actually, well, now that I put it right here, I wanted to make sure it's not, yeah, there you have it. It's not outside the border, because sometimes it's harder to mail it when they are outside, so, or to fit it in your envelope. So anyway, so here is the card that I make. So you can see here, I love all the colors and everything. Now another thing to say is that you can play with the color combination. So I'll show you another one. And here is that one. You can see it is the same, but I just changed the background of here. On this one I went with a card base that has Whisper White, so you can see it here. And what I changed was this color. So I went with Call Me Clover Design Series paper. So like I said, just pick and choose whichever design series paper that you have. Just make sure that they kind of coordinate with the main image you have here, but you can change that one as well, and just go with the stamp set. So it's really easy to color, to change these cards to anything, and they kind of look different, don't you think? Let me know in the comments which ones you like best. Do you like the green one, which is the Call Me Clover, or do you like this one that is the Coral Calypso? I'll be more than happy to see which one you think it's your favorite. So anyway, so thank you so much for joining me. Also, don't forget to sign in for my email list in the description of this video. You can see it, where you can get 5 tutorials as well as other information about who I am and my blog and all those things. So anyway, I hope to see you next, and see you soon. Bye.